Air HVG, standard air, Air A. We have a bunch of different options for you depending on what you're looking for. So stay tuned. We're going to explain the difference between all those different kits and why you'd want one versus the other. So in this video, we're going to go over all of our air models, specifically what the differences are between these models, why you would want one versus the other, and help you decide which one's going to be best for you and what your potential upgrade options are in the future. So starting out with the Air HVG model, this is going to be a standard air shock here. This one is always going to be on setting 3 on your rebound adjustment, so it does not have a dial on it. What it does have is a hand pump for adjusting your pressure up and down, your normal airline, fittings, everything that you need to get a good riding shock on your bike right away and get something that's going to be way more comfortable, way more adjustable, give you that height adjustment that you're looking for, or allow you to lower that bike down as needed, whether it's for storage or just going to and from, but you're going to get a way more comfortable riding shock than what comes on the bike. When you move over to something like a standard air kit, it's going to be the exact same shock as what comes in the Air HVG model, but the standard air kit is going to come with everything you need for adjustment on the fly. Your compressor, cutter, wire harness, your fittings, airline, handlebar control, all of that stuff. You're still going to have a standard adjustment shock, so you'll be able to adjust your air pressure or your sag, but it will not have the rebound dial on it. And anytime you're going up and up and up in tier or getting more adjustment, that's generally where the prices are going to change, is just prices change as the adjustment or as you add more components to the kits. Moving into the Air A model, you're going to have all of the exact same fitment components as a standard air, but this model here is going to have that 6-position rebound adjuster dial on it. So that's going to give you another level of fine tuning. So you've got a great comfortable riding shock here that you put air pressure in and just rock and roll. This one is going to be the same shock, but it's going to allow you to adjust that on the fly more conveniently. The Air A model is going to give you that additional level of adjustment with the rebound dial, and you're going to also get that on the fly adjustment. It's great for going between solo and 2-up riders, varying loads on the bike, changing road conditions. Ultimately, this is a great package to have, but you can get just a better riding shock for starters. The nice thing is we've got a nice package put together for you. So if you had an Air HVG kit and you've decided at a certain point that on-the-fly adjustment is definitely what you got to have, or it's just something that you want, we have a kit put together that is all of the components here to turn your Air HVG kit into a standard air kit. So it's going to add the compressor, your electrical components, everything that you need to plug and play, attach to that bike, and give you awesome adjustment, give you a push button raising and lowering of the bike, which is going to just add another level of convenience to your riding. That is the main differences between these kits. In the handlebar controls, we have them for Road Glide specific models, which is generally 2015 and newer Road Glides are going to have this larger guy here. And then we also have standard models. Both of those options are available in black and chrome, so you can fit your handlebar controls and match to whatever you've got. You'll just want to make sure when you're looking at part numbers between the kits, you will see 15 and newer Road Glide, and that is specifically what that part number changes for. All of these kits, whether it's a standard air or a standard air for a Road Glide, all of the components are the exact same. The handlebar control is what's changing to make sure you don't get one of these small ones and then you've got mismatched handlebar controls. So hope that answers your questions. That's really all there is to it, to these kits, and the differences is one's got a hand pump, one's got everything you need for the regular up and down adjustments for setting your sag for cruising on the fly without a rebound adjuster dial. And then the Air A model is the exact same components here, but it's also going to have the rebound adjustment to it. If you have any further questions, please visit your local motorcycle shop, check in with them, ask them as many questions as you need to, or shoot an email to service@legendsuspensions.com. We would be happy to help. We'll see you next time.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.